Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a topic that might shock you a little. Fashion choices that can make you look cheap, even when you're spending a lot of money. Yes, that's right. Sometimes it's not about how expensive your clothes are, but how you style them. You could be wearing designer outfits, but if you make these common fashion mistakes, you might not give off the elegant, classy, and sophisticated look you desire. So, if you want to avoid looking cheap and instead look expensive, polished, and put together, keep watching because I'm about to spill all the fashion secrets. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more fashion tips and tricks. 1. Wearing clothes that are too tight or too loose. Wearing super tight clothes can make you look uncomfortable and cheap instead of stylish. Clothes that are too small can highlight areas you don't want to emphasize. On the other hand, baggy, oversized clothes that don't fit well can make you look sloppy and untidy. Solution: invest in well-fitted clothes that flatter your body shape. Tailoring can make a huge difference. 2. Cheap or overly shiny fabrics. Clothes made from low-quality synthetic fabrics, like cheap polyester, super shiny satin, or plastic-looking leather, can make an outfit look inexpensive. Shiny, wrinkled, or stiff materials don't give a luxurious feel. Solution: choose natural or high-quality looking fabrics like cotton, silk, wool, or linen for a more sophisticated look. 3. Excessive logos and brand names. Everywhere. Wearing huge logos on every piece of clothing might seem stylish, but in reality, it often looks tacky. Logos don't always mean luxury. Sometimes they scream, trying too hard. Solution: go for minimal branding and let your outfit speak for itself. A small, subtle logo is classy. A giant logo on your chest, pants, and bag all at once. Not so much. Too much bling and flashy accessories. Wearing big, fake-looking jewelry, huge rhinestones, or excessively shiny gold or silver accessories can easily take your outfit from classy to cheap. Over-accessorizing with large hoops, long chains, and multiple rings all at once is not a good look. Solution: keep it minimal and elegant, one statement piece at a time. Less is more when it comes to accessories. 5. Wearing overly trendy clothes. Trends come and go quickly, and some of them don't always look elegant. If you're wearing something just because it's trendy but it doesn't suit your style or body type, it can look cheap. Solution: stick to classic, timeless fashion pieces that never go out of style, like a tailored blazer, a simple white shirt, or a classy black dress. 6. Wearing worn out or dirty shoes can make or break your outfit. No matter how expensive your outfit is, dirty, scuffed, or worn out shoes will ruin the entire look. Solution: keep your shoes clean, polished, and in good condition. Invest in classic footwear like elegant pumps, sleek boots, or stylish loafers. 7. Wearing too much makeup or overly bright colors. Too much foundation, super dark brows, extremely bold lipstick, and heavy contouring can look unnatural and cheap. Neon or super bright colors everywhere in your outfit can also look overwhelming. Solution: aim for a natural, fresh look with makeup and balance bold colors with neutral tones in your outfit. 8. Overly short and revealing clothes. Super short dresses, extremely low-cut tops, and tight bodycon dresses might seem stylish, but when overdone, they can take away from an elegant and classy look. Solution: a little skin is fine, but balance is key. A fitted dress with a modest neckline or a short dress with long sleeves keeps the look chic and sophisticated. 9. Carrying cheap, worn-out handbags. A handbag is one of the first things people notice in an outfit. If your bag is too flashy, too trendy, or made of poor quality material, it can cheapen your entire look. Solution: invest in a structured, high-quality handbag in neutral colors like black, beige, or brown. 10. Not paying attention to grooming and hygiene. No matter how expensive your outfit is, if your hair is greasy, nails are chipped, or your clothes are wrinkled, it can ruin your entire appearance. Solution: good grooming is essential. Always have neat hair, clean nails, ironed clothes, and fresh breath. 11. Overuse of prints and patterns. Wearing too many loud, clashing prints can make your outfit look chaotic and cheap rather than stylish. Animal prints, neon patterns, or cartoon graphics all over your outfit can be overwhelming. Solution: stick to one statement print and pair it with neutral pieces. If you're wearing a floral or leopard print top, balance it with solid colored pants or skirts. 12. Too many cutouts and ripped clothing. Excessively ripped jeans, deep side slits, or too many cutouts can take away from a polished look. A small rip or an intentional cutout can be trendy, but when overdone, it can make your outfit look tacky. Solution: if you like ripped jeans, go for subtle distressing instead of extreme rips. For cutout designs, choose elegant placements that still keep the look sophisticated. 13. Neglecting undergarments and visible lingerie mistakes. One of the biggest fashion mistakes that can make your outfit look cheap is wearing the wrong undergarments or having visible lingerie lines. See-through clothing with visible bra straps, an exposed bra band, or mismatched underwear showing through your outfit can take away from a polished and sophisticated appearance. Wearing a white bra under a white shirt or choosing undergarments that create bulky lines under tight clothes can also make your outfit look poorly planned. Solution: always wear seamless, nude-colored undergarments that match your skin tone when wearing light or fitted clothing. Invest in a well-fitted bra and use fashion tape or strapless bras when wearing off-shoulder or delicate outfits. By not following the tips above, your fashion choices may end up looking cheap and unpolished. But the good news is, it's easy to fix. Just focus on wearing well-fitted clothes, choosing the right fabrics, keeping accessories minimal, and paying attention to the small details that make a big difference. Which of these mistakes have you made before? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs these fashion tips. See you in the next one.